guys, so this time we're going to solve the birthday cake candles. So you're in charge for a cake for Rachel's birthday, and you decided the cake will only have one candle off for each year. You're able to blow the tallest. How many candles are the tallest? 4, 4, 1, 3, 40 units high. Okay. Birthday cake candles is the following parameters. Okay. Then the candles at the bottom tallest. Okay. 2, 3. Okay. So just wants us to count the largest number in the array and give the length of that kind of array. So I think we can approach this two ways. I'm going to use the JavaScript once, which is the filter. So the first thing we need to do is get the max number. Max number equals max candles. So it will output something like the maximum number, and then what we'll do is we'll filter. Return candles dot filter candle if candle is equal to max number dot length. So yeah, do we console.log or do we return? I think we need to get the results. So console.log result. So yeah, I think that should do it. Undefined. Why is it undefined? Candle. Let's debug. Let's console the box number and this. Okay. Let's see. I think it has something to do with the max. I see. Okay. Where's that? Forgot the log. Okay. 3, 2. I see. I get it now. It still works. So we just have to return the value instead of logging it. There we go. Then we run all the test cases. So yeah, that's how you do it. You can also apply loop, so you can iterate all the candles and record which is the max number. Then once you're done with that, I think you're going to have to go to and perform another loop, and that is for the count of the candle. But fortunately JavaScript has the method max, which gets the largest number in an array, and you also have a filter, which is like a for loop, and it gets the candles that is equal to the max number, and we just get the length of that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.